Welcome friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the formula for the volume, the surface area of a right circular cylinder. It basically is like a cane shape, like the one that you see here, you see? So you're going to get the surface area using simple pictures, nothing too fancy. So one thing to be observed is that the top of this clearly is a circle, you see? So that's one circle. And then the bottom of it, right, if you look at that, it's another circle. So it's already two circles for that reason. Now, another thing that's very important to observe is that look at the circumference of the circle. The circumference is just the distance around the circle here, right? Notice that that circumference is equal to whatever this length is along this. See that? So again, that's also the circumference, you see? So whatever this length is, so what I'm going to do now is open this up. This is one circle. This here's another circle. And add a piece of tape here. So now I'm going to remove this piece of tape because we're going to open up the shape. Alright, let me do that now. And when I do that, look at the shape that we get. See that? It basically is a rectangle with two circles. Let's do it from this perspective. So a rectangle with two circles. Let's go to and write down some basic, formulas for the actual surface area. You can do this pretty easily here. Take a look. That the area of this rectangle right here, the area of that rectangle would be equal to whatever this is, which is the height. I'm going to call this h. And now this quantity along this edge, remember that's the same as the circumference of the circle. So that's equal to 2 pi r. So that means that the area of this whole rectangle right here is equal to 2 pi r times h, which is the height. If you have trouble understanding that, remember it means if I fold it, right, this thing here, as you can see, becomes a circle. Its distance here is 2 pi r, the same as the circumference of the circle. So the whole area of the rectangle is 2 pi r times h. That's how you get the area of a rectangle. And then obviously to that, what is the r? The r is like the radius of the circle right here. See that? Same thing over here. It's the same r. There's only one value of r. So this here would be pi r squared as one area. And that there would be pi r squared as the other area. So the total area of everything, think about this. You have the area of the rectangle plus the area of the circle plus the area of this circle. When you write it down, the total area of everything will be equal to the following. You're going to say here area equals, well, pi r squared plus pi r squared. So say top circle and bottom circle. That's when you need to add those. And then to that you need to add the area of the rectangle here. So that's 2 pi r times h. That's how you find the area of a rectangle. And then you just simplify it a little bit. This is pi r squared plus pi r squared. That's 2 pi r squared. And this is 2 pi r times h. So that you can keep in that form already. So I'm going to say here plus 2 pi r h. And that's it. So thanks so much. Please leave a like if this has helped you understand how to find the area of a basic right circular cylinder.